Hello. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Hi. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you?
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Do you like English?
Yes, I love it. It's fun to learn.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
What is the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
What do you do for fun?
I like to read and watch movies.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have toast and coffee.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Where do you live?
I live in a city called Toronto.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
What are your parents' names?
My mom's name is Mary, and my dad's name is John.
How many friends do you have?
I have many friends, but my best friend is Mark.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I am going to visit my family.
Do you like spending time with your friends?
Yes, I love spending time with them.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have been to France.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love playing sports, especially football.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I usually go out with friends or relax at home.
What are your plans for next summer?
I am planning to go on a camping trip.
Do you like going to the movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What do you like to drink?
I like to drink water and juice.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, I love sushi.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is McDonald's.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook a little bit.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like cats or dogs?
I like both, but I prefer dogs.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is a Harry Potter.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
How much is this coffee?
It's $3.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, you can.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's 2 blocks from here on Main Street.
What are you going to buy?
I am going to buy some groceries.
Do you like shopping?
I like it sometimes, but I don't like spending too much money.
What are you good at?
I am good at drawing and playing the piano.
How would you describe your personality?
I am friendly and outgoing, but I also like quiet time to read.
Tell me about your family.
I have a big family with 2 parents, 3 siblings, and many cousins.
What does your best friend look like?
My best friend has curly hair, brown eyes, and a bright smile.
What's your favorite thing about yourself?
I am always curious and love learning new things.
Can you help me with this?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I am lost. Can you give me directions?
No problem. Where are you trying to go?
Do you mind if I open the window?
Please go ahead.
Could I please have another glass of water?
Certainly. Coming right up.
I am sorry. I did not understand. Can you repeat that, please?
No worries. I am happy to repeat it slower if you need.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I am going to a picnic with friends on Saturday, and visiting my grandma on Sunday.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to the movies and saw a great comedy film.
What would you like to do in the future?
I dream of traveling the world and learning different languages.
Do you remember the first time you met your best friend?
Yes, we met in kindergarten, and have been friends ever since.
What was your favorite memory from childhood?
Spending summer days at the beach with my family is a memory I cherish.